Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about my favorite game. Number 1. Cricket is my favorite game. Number 2. It is played with a bat and ball. Number 3. Two teams compete in cricket. Number 4. Each team has 11 players. Number 5. The game is played on a rectangular field. Number 6. The pitch is in the center of the field. Number 7. Batsmen score runs by hitting the ball. Number 8. It improves physical fitness. Number 9. Patience and concentration are essential skills in cricket. Number 10. Cricket teaches teamwork and collaboration. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.